What's good, YouTube? Your boy Bossco is back again with another quick sneaker review. As you guys have seen before, we've already talked about the Kyrie Flytrap 2s with some of these images that you have seen on the internet. There is no official release date on this, but they are available on eBay and some places overseas. I think the detailing of these shoes is pretty dope, especially like that gold panel, that little Kyrie logo on the back part of the shoe. I think that's pretty fire. Also comes with Zoom Air. I just seen tonight on Sneaker News that they do have a new colorway, the Bred colorway, which is super fire in my opinion. I think this is the better one out of the two that are released. All black upper, white midsole, red outsole. It's just a fire combination of colors. That red, black, and white classic can go with a lot of things, easy to match. I wonder if there's some 3M on the shoe. It doesn't show anything about that right now, but it may be possible. These shoes look very similar to the Kyrie lows. I'm curious to get these in hand to do a little side by side just to see how much they actually resemble each other. The Kyrie Flytrap 2 is set to hit the stores early 2019, this month, January. Hopefully it does. It might be an overseas release, but maybe soon to be inside some of them champs, or actually the foot actions that I see. No, it's Finish Line inside some of the malls. They usually have them inside there. That's where I see most of the fly traps. But let me know if this is something you guys will be trying to cop. You guys might even be able to get it on Nike.com when they finally do released. But I think this colorway, this red, black, and white colorway thus far is the best colorway out of the two that have released. I'm sure they're gonna have many more colorways because they always do colorways with Kyrie in his shoes. It's very dope that they brought this out, which is a budget sneaker under $100. Leave all the feedback information in the comment section below. Make sure you smash the like button. It's gonna be a great 2019, man. Let's enjoy the ride. Comment, like, subscribe, and I'll see you later. Deuces.